Sirens sound, lights out, bunkers open. India is preparing for the worst. In its first nationwide civil defense drills since 1971, the country is bracing for a war-like situation. With tensions boiling over, civilians are gearing up as a showdown with Pakistan looms. But what do you do when the war sirens sound? On May 7th, loud sirens will be heard. This is typically a sign that India is under attack and you will need to take shelter. With the country unprepared for such a scenario, the upcoming mock drills are crucial. During these drills, civilians will learn how to react to the sirens, stay calm, and follow official instructions in a real emergency. They will practice protecting themselves and their loved ones when every second counts. The first rule when an airstrike goes off is simple: don't panic. Panic clouds your judgment and makes it harder for you to think clearly. Instead, stay calm, move away from open areas, and seek shelter indoors. Try to take cover in buildings with sturdy walls or a basement. Stay alert by following updates on TV, radio, or government apps. In moments like these, following official instructions is crucial for your safety. When you hear a siren, remember the next 5 to 10 minutes are critical. You'll need to think fast and act smart. Taking shelter must be your top priority. Air sirens are much louder and more intense than that of an ambulance. They are designed to be impossible to ignore. Their distinct rising and falling wail signals an emergency, instantly alerting people to take cover. Air sirens are only used in emergency situations, and India used them during key conflicts like the 1962 war with China, when India faced its first major defense challenge. In 1965 and 1971, during the wars with Pakistan, air raid drills became crucial for civilian preparedness. Finally, in 1999, during the Kargil conflict, air sirens were sounded, especially in the border regions. Air sirens are placed at higher locations to make sure the sound travels as far as possible. They can be found in places like government buildings, police headquarters, fire stations, military bases, and crowded public areas. On May 7th, 244 districts across the country will participate in critical mock drills. These drills are designed to assess both public and administrative preparedness in the event of an aerial attack or a missile strike. As air sirens wail and borders tighten, will India and Pakistan go to war?